Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is the incomparable, amazing, big ticket, cash money producing Millionaire Mailer V. This thing speaks for itself, just about it. It's only gonna cost you $1,000. You see, I got 2 free spaces right there. You send 500 to me, and you send 500 to our unbelievable monitor, and all you do just mail out every week on a consistent basis. Get your downline to do the same, and get your downline to tell their downline to do the same, and so on and so forth. Rinse and repeat. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. When you join, you're going to get the Millionaire Mailers 4, 3, 2, and 1 for free. So you also be able to bring in $250, $100 payments, $50 payments, and $25 payments, along with this, which is $500 payments. That's just a deal within itself. And then you're going to have all your people mailing, and then when they join Millionaire Mailer 5, they're going to get all the ones, 4, 3, 2, and 1 Millionaire Mailers. And then if they rinse and repeat, like I'm telling you to tell them to do, along with telling you to do that, everybody be happy. Just imagine your name. I never get tired of telling people, just imagine your name on thousands of flyers or tens of thousands of flyers with a chance to get $500 off of each flyer. I mean, the math just makes sense. That's what you call, as you can see right here, massive leverage. And they said it best: a financial freedom flyer when you're getting $500 a pop. This thing is tested and proven. I've been around or been marketing this specific program for 5 years now, so I know for a fact that it works. But it just says it right here, tested and proven flyer. But like I say, you're gonna get your marketing kit, you're gonna get your camera ready flyers, and it's a little report in there to show you how to approach the mail order business. You just stay consistent, and we're gonna also give you access to our turnkey print and mail service that you see right here. Then we got a conference call every Tuesday. I never did mention that in my other videos, but I mean, everything I say is just a no-brainer. I mean, if you want to change your life and your family's life, man, I don't know actually what you got going on, but if you struggling every week or every month or all year or whatever, every month or whatever, you need something like this to, get you out of your situation financially, and just to have money to be able to do stuff that you want to do. So this is just an absolute no-brainer. Like I say, you're gonna get Millionaire Mailers 4, 3, 2, and 1, which will produce 25, 50, 100, and $250 payments, and of course this one gonna produce $500 payments for you. And like I say, you also going to save $1,000 because my flyer has 2 free spaces. You send me 500, you send the monitor 500, and you're good to go. And like I say, just imagine your name on thousands or tens of thousands of flyers. So uh, you need to join. That's all I gotta say. And just remember, I can say this and say this and say this, but if you don't take action, how is this ever gonna happen for you? So you just think about that. So click on my blog below. When you get there, go to the mail order programs tab. You can see all the other stuff. And also check out that stamp program. I got 2 of them over there. that'll help offset some of your postage because you'll be getting stamps too. Then if you get to the point where you get so many stamps, you can sell those too. So, you know, $10 a book or whatever, you can get somebody to pay for them or whatever. So go over there to the mail order programs tab at my blog at the link below. Subscribe to my video and click that notification bell. The Millionaire Mailer V. Hey, it's been working for a long time and it's still working. It's gonna continue to work. So y'all have a good day. Bye.